So I've created a version of the Pop Invoice template where you can select invoice items from a catalogue of goods and services. So here it is. It's very similar to the original template where you've got an invoice database, you've got your clients database, invoice line items, you still have that. And now we have a catalogue. So the catalogue is a list of your goods or services. So I've just put 4 of them in here: logo design, consultancy days at different prices. And in here you have the description, how you want it to appear on the invoice, and the price. You also have, if it's a current item or an archived item. You need to have archived items because if you have an invoice pointing, say, your logo design, but then 2 months down the line you think, oh, actually, logo design, I want to charge a bit more. If you change the price in here, all your old invoices, all the price on your old invoices will be changed, and that's not great. So it's best to archive that so you know not to pick it, and then create a new one for the new price. I've put an archived one in here in current so you can see what it looks like. So let's get to add in an invoice. So I'll create a new invoice, select the client, add tax if you need to, etc. And then I'll open the invoice up, make it full screen. And this is similar, but it looks a bit different. So now I have 2 views of the invoice line items. First one is where you add the items. So here I can pick from a catalogue. So I'll pick consultancy days. Say I did 4 days work, and then I can add a logo design. So you wouldn't select the archived one because that's the old price. So I'll add the current one. And I did 1 of that. And then you can see below, this is how it's going to appear on the PDF invoice. So this is the description from the catalogue table, price, quantity, etc. You can also add in non-catalogue items. So let me add a non-catalogue item. You can do that by adding a custom description. So I'll put presentation. If I spell it right, presentation slides, and the price is 50, and I did 3. And also with this custom description, if you want to overwrite the description in the catalogue, you can do that. So if I want to make it a bit more descriptive, I can put school logo design. Again, spelled wrong. There we are. School logo design. So this is how it would appear in Pop Invoice on the PDF invoice. Also here, you can add the sort order. So I want the logo design to be first, presentation slides second, consultancy days third. And now it orders them. It will order them in Pop Invoice. So that's the invoice created. I'll go back to the template, set that invoice to ready, and then jump into Pop Invoice. So Pop Invoice here, and if I click new, the new invoice should appear. And there we go. So that's the invoice I've just created. It's ordered it, and you've got all the totals, they look correct, and the price, everything, and that's picked from a catalogue.